friends, welcome back to the channel Ship Money Seafarer's Friend. Today's video I wanted to make because I received a kit from Idfc First Bank about the private debit card, and that's a metallic card. And I was looking for a metallic card which bank is giving, but I did not know that I was having an account with Idfc for last 2 years, and I not knew about it. So while talking to the relationship manager, I came to know about it, and then you know they enrolled me for it, and I received the kit a couple of days back. I had a glimpse, मतलब मैंने just उसको देखा, and then I thought of making a video and showing it to my subscribers. Let's get to that unboxing part. Let's check out what's in this. So this is the kit. You can see first private. I naam. There's a logo there, black color. So let's check out what's in this, and एक एक करके खोलते हैं. Okay. इसको भी यहीं पे रखते हैं. Okay, so let's open this. Is also nice inside box. Okay, so here you can see it's my name, first private debit visa infinite. Okay, so that's a black color metallic card, and see the shine. Nice. इसको इधर रखते हैं, and then let's see. Okay, ठीक है, there is one letter which is generally coming with the all debit cards. It will be having all the, and see the features are there, and then the names. इसको भी side में रखते हैं, and then Mr. Bachchan, who is a ambassador for the bank, so you know how to activate the card. All the details are given over here. On the behind, the benefits: enhanced daily spending, high insurance coverage, complimentary domestic and international lounges, complimentary roadside assistance, concert services, infinite dining program, complimentary golf lessons. So I think maybe something different. Okay, the checkbook is it has a lot of, you see, a lot of stylish hai, showing luxury. Getting it closer, you can have a look. Now man, it's written first private. Okay, इसको ऐसे रखते हैं, and then there is first private bespoke banking for the executive. So there's all the details, all the features. Okay, and then you have this book which they have given, The Psychology of Money. Okay, so you can see, yeah, box is good. क्या करना है बट अपने को? Yes, this is a card. You can see. So you can see, देख सकते हैं, first privilege, private's world of privilege includes complimentary first private debit card with premium benefits, accelerated reward points, enhanced daily spending limits, preferential rate on lockers, loans, and forex. I think one locker is free for me for the first private. And a lot of other things are there. It's a high-end topmost card of IDFC, so it has a lot of features which normal cards will not have. So once I start using it, we'll come to know how is it. Okay, that's the card. So it's a fully metallic and it's slightly heavier. You can feel there is a premium, quality is premium. It's nice. Plus this is a book. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep on bringing more videos like this, especially with regard to banking and where our NRI friends or seafarer friends can get benefit. And once again, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Captain Amol Chalke signing off.